Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So I have this little car here. We started doing a little bit of detailing, and I'm saying we because I'm gonna have a special guest in just a few seconds. But on this windshield here, that was polished. We split it in half. Why? I'm doing a cool demo today. So we have a new product from DIY Detail, and this is the Envie Glass Sealant. Now, some of you might already know their ceramic detail spray, also called Envie, which you can also apply on glass. So why would we have this? But you know what? So we can figure out what is what, and you guys can see a demo of how easy it is to use and the kind of water repellency that it can give on your glass surfaces. Let me bring in the man himself, a friend of the channel, as you guys know. Yvan, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Yvan Lacroix from DIY Detail. So we have the owner, and so we can get it from the horse's mouth directly. Yvan, you released this product first.
Yep.
So this is Envie, a ceramic detail spray. Guys, before you ask any questions, don't worry, all the links will be included in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So you released this ceramic detail spray, and a question I often get asked. Yes, you can apply this on multiple exterior surfaces, but is it a ceramic detailer? Is it a quick detailer? Is it a ceramic spray sealant? What exactly is this? Please demystify this for us.
All of the above.
All of the above, okay?
Right.
What does that mean?
So we called it a detail spray.
Okay.
Because it has so many uses. You can use it on the interior. You can use it as, you know, a drying aid. You can use it as a standalone sealant. You can use it just about anywhere.
Yep.
Detail spray exemplifies more what it is.
Okay.
It is a very long-term good ceramic sealant.
So you're getting months of protection.
Right. But at the same time, it's as easy to use as any detail spray. It's a good clay lube. You can overuse it for those people that are trigger happy.
Yes.
It's not going to streak, etc., etc.
So you can use it as often as you want, is what you're saying.
And you can use it if you wash every week, apply it every week. It's not a problem.
No problem. And by the way, it has been fantastic to use. But then my new question is, so I see that you released this brand new Envie Glass Sealant now.
Yeah.
So if this can be applied on glass, why would you release a dedicated glass sealant?
Glass is a very different substrate. The rest of your vehicle is basically all plastic.
Okay.
Whether you have paint, whether you have trim, etc., it's all plastic. Your paint is a plastic. The glass is a very, very different substrate. And the goal for me of a glass sealant is to get the water moving as fast as possible. Whereas with the Envie detail spray, yes, you get great beading, and the beads are fantastic.
Yep.
But they don't move when you start going down the road.
Okay.
That is the goal of the Envie Glass Sealant. Now, being a sealant, it's not a coating. Don't ask me how long it's going to last. I can't answer that, and no one can answer that. Because do you use your wipers? Do you not use your wipers? Is the vehicle stored in a garage? Do you wash it every week, or does it go through a car wash 5 times a week, or
rain,
never?
Sleet, snow, what kind of environment you're in? Okay.
But the goal of it is to be super easy to apply. The less you use, the better it is. So one bottle will cover a windshield. Not this one, maybe more. But let's say you have an F-150. You're going to cover your windshield at least 200 times with one bottle.
Okay.
And it's something, again, that you can apply at every wash. And the more you apply it, the better it's going to get.
So low rolling resistance, meaning at lower speeds when you're driving. With the Envie Glass Sealant, what you're saying is it's more hydrophobic and it will be like blown off the vehicle more easily.
Correct.
Compared to if you were to use the regular ceramic spray on the same glass.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll get phenomenal beading.
Yeah.
But the beads will stay there.
Okay.
Where they'll eventually move. But this, the water just flies off the car a lot faster.
So I know people want to see a demo. What's better than, and we're going to look at the hydrophobics. So the windshield was fully washed, of course. We also polished it to make sure there's no residue, nothing left on there. So one half he'll apply the product on, and the other half no product. And then I have the Kiev nozzle ready on the pressure washer. So we're going to have the hydrophobic test, because there's no curing time on this, you say, right?
Give it a minute.
About a minute. That's it.
Basically, you want to make sure it's dry. And it's also a glass cleaner. So you have bugs on the windshield, whatever, spray it on and then just wipe it in. It's that simple. On a windshield, 1 spray per side. That's all you need. Then take a nice short nap microfiber towel, spread it everywhere.
Look at that. We can already tell how quickly it flashes off.
Yeah. Flip, dry, and you're done.
And can you layer this when you're seeing like a diminishing hydrophobics over time? You can just wash and reapply, nothing special to do?
Right. You can apply it If you wash every week, apply it every week.
Okay.
If there's a big rainstorm coming that you know, give it a little shot. It's not that hard.
And is it ready to go right away?
Yes.
So I can throw water on this right now. Okay.
Now, it's not a drying aid. So some people think they can use it as a drying aid. Dry your windshield first.
Yes. So as long as you apply it, you buff it off,
Yep.
no streaks, and you saw how easy this was to flash. So let's have a look.
And
So
I'll get
again,
out of the way of the water.
the untreated side, no protection. And of course, this side here with tons of protection, apparently. So let's see this. And I think it's quite obvious. So here the water just pools up, slow to sheet off. I mean, there's still, look, the water is it's still at this level. So it never goes off. And here we get that water beading and the sheeting of that water. So a very beautiful 50-50. So this is the rain nozzle. So as if it was raining outside. So even if I try to overflood it, as you guys can see here, look how much quicker the water on the right-hand side dissipates itself. Look at that. And here it's still sticking on that surface, so you get more visibility and clarity because all that water evacuates, and we have a blower that we can try. So here, the water is definitely still sticking. I mean, this is wet. So none of that water was evacuated, and here the majority of it has gone away. So imagine when you're driving with a little bit of speed as well. So I think demo says it all. So Ivan, I think you can do all the exterior glass surfaces.
Yep.
But there's also, I like multiple uses out of one product, and so does Ivan. In the house, glass showers is something I like to protect.
Yes.
Can you use Envie on that?
Definitely. Glass showers, any glass inside the house. The only place you wouldn't, or the only windows you wouldn't put Envie Glass Sealant on is the inside of your car. The reason you never want anything hydrophobic on the inside, because it can promote fogging, and trust me, it does.
And all that water will eventually drip on your on the interior surfaces there.
Yep.
So very, very easy. Is there any other use if people want to use this on the exterior windows of their home?
Everything. Yeah.
So any glass surface except the interior of your car. Once again, we don't want those hydrophobics. How easy is it perhaps to wipe off as well? So I loved how quick the product was to flash off and streak free, as you guys saw. For mobile detailers out there, if they need to work outside in the sun, is it something okay? Should they apply only in the shade on a cool surface? What are your recommendations?
It can be in direct sunlight. It's not a problem.
So it still buffs off easily.
Yep.
Okay, beautiful.
Now try to dry that side.
Yeah, that takes a lot longer because you're just pushing the water around.
Yeah.
Fingers are still wet. So multiple passes are needed on this side. Still wet. And then so third pass. Yeah, for sure there's a difference. So this is a sealant, not ceramic technology. So this is not meant for your
There's ceramic in it,
Okay.
but it's not a ceramic coating.
So it's a sealant.
Yeah, there's a difference between a sealant and a coating. If you're asking how long it's going to last, buy a coating.
Yes, absolutely.
But the goal of this is to be super easy to apply,
Yep.
to be a glass cleaner as well as a hydrophobic aid, and to make driving safer in the rain.
A little cool Easter egg that I find as well, we're going to explain it. The word is Envie. Where does Envie come from?
Well, we're both of French heritage here.
Yes.
So it's actually envie, which means full of life or to be alive. And we have a line of sealants at DIY Detail. We have 2 so far. We have another one coming eventually. And the whole goal of them is to give a little life to your car.
Correct.
So in this one, we're giving life to the water beads, getting them off your car.
Yes.
And also bugs won't stick as much.
And I would also add, you can have the word envie in French, j'ai envie, which means I also desire. You're going to desire to want to use these products,
Yes.
right? Because I mean, they're just so simple. Same thing for the ceramic spray sealant in the lineup. Fantastic product. So Ivan, I think that was an easy demo. By the way, guys, if you've tried this, let us know your feedback and comments. Drop a comment down below. If you haven't tried it yet, check the links in the description so you guys can purchase and try it. But like everything, again, Ivan, thank you for coming. We did a lot of projects together. If you haven't seen them yet on the channel, I don't know if they're going to be live or a little after this video, but we're working on the garage door behind a DIY project on how you can make it more efficient, more energy efficient, and quieter as well. Be sure to check that out. And a bunch of other cool stuff that we did on this vehicle. It's the smallest car I've ever detailed on the channel, but we did some pretty big things with it, right? So Ivan, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and we'll see you on the next one.